Good morning, students. In previous class we have read about location of Africa. Africa is referred to as the dark continent, hottest continent, plateau continent or last explored continent. The opening up of Africa began with the discoveries by great explorers such as David Livingstone, who discovered Victoria Falls in 1955. Mungo Park followed the course of the river Niger. Henry Merton Stanley traced the course of the river Congo from Lake Tanganyika to its mouth. Through these discoveries, most parts of Africa came under the control of European powers. But the African people have now gained independence, and today the entire continent has been explored. So let's see the physical features of Africa. This is the physical map of Africa. Okay. Africa is divided into some physical divisions. The Atlas Mountains. Look at the northwestern side. The Atlas Mountains lie in the northwestern Africa. They are young fold mountains consisting of three parallel ranges: the Tail Atlas in the north, the High Atlas in the middle, and the Sahara Atlas in the south. The highest peak in the Atlas Mountains is Mount Toubkal, which remains snow-capped most of the year. Just follow the map. Mount Toubkal written here, indicated by a small black triangle. Okay. The low central plateau extends from the Atlantic coast in the west to the Nile Valley in the east. Okay. The Sahara Desert forms a part of this plateau. This desert extends from the Atlantic in the west to the Red Sea in the east. Oases. Oases, areas with water and trees in a desert, provide respite to travelers in this vast desert. Next division, the Great Rift Valley. The Great Rift Valley of Africa is a special physical feature of the southern plateau. It is a long narrow valley formed as a result of vertical cracks that developed because of the movements within the earth. It extends for a total distance of 5,000 km. Many freshwater lakes such as Malawi, Tanganyika are found here. Lake Victoria, just follow. Lake Victoria, the second largest freshwater lake in the world, does not lie in this rift valley. Okay. The high plateau of the south is divided into the Ethiopian plateau, the Central Lake Plateau, and the South African Plateau. This plateau ends with the Drakensberg Mountains. which form the high eastern edge of the plateau. The Namib and Kalahari deserts are parts of this plateau. The Namib Desert runs along the western coast in the southwest Africa. Just follow the Namib Desert. And the Kalahari Desert lies in the southern part of Africa. Mount Kilimanjaro. Mount Kilimanjaro, a snow-capped mountain near the equator, lies in this plateau. Okay. The Nile and Congo Basin. The Nile Basin and Congo Basin. The Nile and Congo basins have been built by these two big rivers of Africa. The Nile Basin is a flat, dry region that borders the river Nile and its tributaries in northeastern Africa. And the Congo Basin in west central Africa includes most of the land drained by the river Congo and its tributaries. Tropical rainforests cover much of the Congo Basin. Okay. The coastal plains. The coastal plains are found along the margins of the plateaus, particularly in the northern and western parts. The coastal plains are narrow as the plateaus drop down to the sea abruptly. Okay. So, all of you go through the topic with the help of map. Thank you. Have a good day.